Streamlabs OBS is a free and the best live streaming software. Check it from the link in the description.
Yo, hey people, it's Wanzavi back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the black screen crash or the graphic card crash problem. Actually, the problem is not with the graphic card nor with any other hardware component. This problem is with your graphic hard drive. This problem is with your graphics driver. At this point you may be thinking that my graphic driver is up to date, then why the hell is he saying it again? That's where the problem is. The latest driver isn't supporting your OS. That's the problem. So install a stock driver which came with your graphic card. A CD which came with your graphic card that may have the stock driver. So install it. So that's how the problem fixed. I also installed the stock driver which is 340 and the current version is 391. So make sure to install the stock driver and not the updated version. So that's all. Hope this fixes your crash. So thank you for watching the video and make sure you click that subscribe button and leave a like on the video. Thank you.